Hi everyone, Hamish here from Hobbies Direct, and today I thought I'd do a quick video on how to install RC drift tyres, as I remembered my brother and I really struggling to get our first set together. So I thought I'd share with you how to skip the frustrations and get back out there drifting. First, heat up some water until it's almost boiling, and then pour it into a suitable pot or bowl. Then pop all your drift tyres in for about 30 seconds. You can almost fit all drift tyres by only heating up the tyres alone. However, if you still can't manage to slide the tyres onto the rims, try popping the rims into the freezer for about 5 minutes so they contract slightly. Now I generally find it easier to slide the tyre on from the back of the rim, as it's more flexible due to there being less support from the rim spokes. Once your tyres are warmed up, start to press them onto the rim. Then, lie the rim down on a flat, hard surface and push firmly down. Make sure to get the direction of the tyre tread right. Well, it's as simple as that. I hope this video has been useful, and thanks for watching.